as he was touching on, the sperm counts have been reducing, right? So when we were medical students, these sperm parameters were totally different from what they are now. That time 40 million and above was considered normal, sperm count. Today 15 million is considered normal. So they have downgraded the sperm counts, sperm motility and everything, the WHO.
Yeah.
So the new criteria are like this. So if I have 15 million or more, I am considered normal. Less than 15 million, subfertile. So like that.
Okay.
But earlier 40 million used to be considered normal. Anything below 40. So if that criteria applied today, everybody would be subnormal.
And will it decrease further?
Yeah, it's going on decreasing. And as you said, age does matter with men's sperms also, because there is something called DNA fragmentation, which occurs within the sperm body. So if that DNA fragmentation is there, these sperms are useless. Means they may fertilize, they may get a lady pregnant, but that she may end up in a miscarriage early on. So, or it may be an abnormal child. So DNA fragmentation of the man is very important. And in Kenyan context, we should also talk about, as he was saying, mentioning the various vices. One of them is chewing mira. So mira chewing or similar herb that has come now, chewing that, a lot of the Somali population and some population in some part of Kenya, they chew mira.
Yeah.
Drastically reduction in sperm counts. Like, we get Somali men or some, I don't want to attribute it Somali only, but such men we get who have got only 5 to 6 million count. So then you have to go for ICSI or a part of IVF, it is called. So you have to go there, because even if the woman is normal, this sperm count is no longer going to normally get pregnant.